Hi friends, my name is Bhavish Chanduri and you are the Soldier Pharmacy. Then today's topic is Medicinal Chemistry Unit first. Then we have C, Introduction of Medicinal Chemistry and History of Medicinal Chemistry. The first, Introduction to Medicinal Chemistry. Medicinal chemistry explains the design and production of compounds that can be used for the product prevention, treatment or cure of human and animal diseases. Medicinal chemistry includes the study of already existing drugs, of their biological properties and their structure-activity relationship. Means SAR. Medicinal chemistry was defined by IUPAC Specified Communication as it concerns the discovery, the development, the identification and the interruption of the mode of action of biological active compounds. The medicinal chemistry concerns or can be completed or under the following steps. First step is the development of synthesis of lead compound or molecule. Second step, optimization of lead structure. Third step, development and modification of pharmacokinetics and pharmaceutical properties. Then step first, development and synthesis of lead compound or molecule first. In this stage, new active substance or molecules or drugs are identified and prepared from natural sources. Organic chemical synthesis or biological process. The compound synthesis are known as lead molecule or lead compound. This compound represents the activity of all drugs of this class. Then step second, optimization of lead structure first. In this stage, lead structure is optimized to improve potency, selectivity and places toxicity. Then step third, development and modification of pharmacokinetics and pharmaceutical properties. In this stage, optimization of synthesis, synthetic route bulk production and modification of pharmacokinetics and pharmaceutical properties of active substance should be done to render the compound chemically useful. The medicinal chemistry is the application of chemical research technique to the synthesis of pharmaceutical properties. Then the history of medicinal chemistry. During the early stage of medicinal chemistry development, scientists were concerned with the isolation of medicinal agents found in plants, but today scientists in this field are also equally concerned with the creation of new synthetic drug compounds. Medicinal chemistry is almost always turned toward drug discovery and development. Then histological development in medicinal chemistry. As an era or dates, histological development. First, 3000 BC means before Christ, the Emperor Cheng Nai listed the crude drugs Chongshang for malaria. Then second, 1500 BC equally was described as a cardiac tonic. Then third, 50 AD means 50. Then fourth, 180 AD, then 1820, then 1839, then 1860, then 1874, then 1899, then 1908, then 1909, then 1910, then 1911, then 1912, then 1922, then 1929, then 1939, then 1939 to 1968, then 1968, then 1949, then 1955, then 1957, then 1959, then 1977, then 1993, then 1994, then 1998, and then 2002, then 2006.